up my app and look at the live image, and this starts to superimpose virtual objects or real-time data, very customizable, and it shows me whatever I want to see about that machine. So here I'm going to go ahead and freeze the image so that we don't have to hold it up like this the entire time, and that's a perfect thing for the person on the floor, because when they actually use it, they're not going to be holding it up like this. So in this case, we have documentation for the motion controller or the motors here. I'll give you an example. We have drawings here, we have manuals, okay? So that's just an example of how quickly you're able to find information just by scanning the machine. And same thing here, more information about the Magellan HMI over there. So another thing that it does is that it has this feature called procedures. It allows users on the plant floor to actually follow step-by-step procedures to get an operation done. Another thing I'd like to show you here is that you can open cabinet doors virtually, so you don't actually have to reach out and touch the machine. I'll unfreeze it. So you see that door icon over there? I click that. We can open the door and see what's actually inside of it.